Governor Greg Abbott signed House Bill 40 into law Monday afternoon in Austin, putting unprecedented restrictions on the ability of cities and other local governments to regulate the oil and gas industry. Abbott said Texas could avoid a patchwork quilt of local regulations with the new law. HB 40 does a profound job of helping to protect private property rights here in the state of Texas, ensuring those who own their own property will not have the heavy hand of local regulation deprive them of their rights, Abbott said in a news release. HB 40 requires that any local regulation of the oil and gas industry be commercially reasonable, a sweeping and unprecedented standard in state law, legal experts say. The law defines commercially reasonable as a condition that would allow a reasonably prudent operator to fully, effectively, and economically exploit, develop, produce, process, and transport oil and gas. The law would have gone into effect without Abbott's signature. The Texas Constitution gives the governor 10 days to either sign or veto a bill. Absent such a veto, the bill becomes law. Both the Texas House and the Texas Senate passed the bill with more than a two-thirds majority, which also means HB 40 goes into effect immediately. Locally, attorneys expect some fallout from the legislation in court, as both the state and the oil and gas industry have sued to block Denton's ban on hydraulic fracturing. Voters overwhelmingly approved a citizens' initiative banning the technique in the city limits in November. HB 40 prohibits the enforcement of such bans. HB 40 also goes after other local regulations that industry representatives have said increasingly threaten oil and gas development in Texas.